Today's vlog is all about the new WagonR 2021 edition. WagonR is the India's most successful hatchback family car, and why I am telling this, because it has sold 10 lakh units in India, जहाँ पे मारुति सिलेरियो की 4800 यूनिट्स पर मंथ बिकती हैं, वहाँ पे दिस WagonR stands at 18,000 units per month. This is the ZXi model WagonR. जो आप इसके फ्रंट में ग्रिलिंग देख रहे हैं, it is made up of chrome. The lamps are very basic. These are the halogen lamps. You have also got the fog lamps. This is the back face of the car. और डिक्की खोलने के लिए सिंपली पुश और ये आराम से ओपन हो जाएगी. Boot space of this car is very big as compared to its earlier version. जो इसकी boot space है, it comes with 341 liters. और this area is of, यहाँ पे आ गया आपकी स्टेपनी और your toolkit. Tail lamp is very long and well integrated with the design. You have got the rear wiper also. This is ZXi model, so आपको इसके साथ defogger भी मिल रहा है. I think you can able to see these lines. These are defoggers. The purpose of this glass कि during fog, rainy season ये यहाँ पे moisture इकट्ठा नहीं होने देती. This ZXi model comes with the disc brakes in its front tires और drum brakes back tires में. This is the BS6 version. It is 1.2 liters with 4 cylinders and 4 valves. It is 5-speed manual. Fuse box. This is your engine and this is your battery area. This is your water for your front screen, coolant and many more things. It has 3-spoke steering and you can get maximum controls on your steering wheel. These are the call, receive or rejection buttons, voice command, mode for your music. This is the speedometer. You can also change the mode by clicking on this button. It shows you average, range, total run up, trip, so you can explore it. This is ZXi model और इसमें आपको स्क्रीन कंपनी प्रोवाइड कर रही है एंड यू कैन इवन वॉच मूवीज, लेकिन वाइल ड्राइविंग ये वीडियो उस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे सपोर्ट नहीं करता है. दिस इज द AC कंट्रोल्स. This is the 5 manual speed. Rear of this car is very spacious as compared to its earlier version. These are the controls जो ड्राइवर साइड पे हैं. 4 windows, automatic control, lock, unlock, and this is the special one because you electrically retractable OVRMs. Now let's talk about the safety feature of this car. It comes with the dual airbags, one on the driver's side, another one on the front passenger side. It has ABS with EDB feature, front seat belt reminder with buzzer and the speed alert system, central locking and child safety rear door blocks. One of the prominent feature of this car is कि यहाँ पे आपको माइक मिल रहा है. While driving you can receive and reject the calls. You can also talk while driving. But I'll recommend you, जब भी कोई कॉल आती है, you should stop your car and receive. But in order to enhance your safety and comfort, this Maruti ZXi gives you this feature.
I have installed these seat covers from the agency for worth rupees 6,500. You can easily split the back seat with 40:60 ratio, and it can help you to carry more luggage easily.
Now let's talk about the drawbacks. As you can see, जो इसके headrest हैं, this is not adjustable. On the front seats, you are not having the adjustable headrests. No AC vents and charger slot on the back side. It comes with only 2 speakers, both on the front windows. You are not getting any armrest. Safety wise, it has only 2 stars given by NACB agency.
Average of this car is 20 kilometers per liter. It is a 1200cc car, and you will find no difficulty while overtaking. The road presence of car is really good, and yes, you can travel long distances without any discomfort.
Showroom price of this car is 5,83,226 and on-road price of this car is 6,70,000 rupees.
It has a warranty of 2 years or 40,000 kilometers, whichever comes earlier. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.